Hey, Gospel Guitarist here, and I just wanted to go over real quick. If you bought a recent Gibson, they come with the circuit board and quick disconnect pickups. What if you don't like their pickups? Now, this one has 61s in it. This is a high performance faded 2017 model. The 61s are good. I'm not knocking the 61s. But I like Seymour Duncan's better. And this is a hot rod set here, which puts a jazz in the neck and it puts a JB in the bridge. So I had to figure out, how do you make the conversion? Well, Gibson now will send you these connectors, and they send you two along with your guitar in the bag. And what you do is you connect your, well, in this case my Seymour Duncans, it could be DiMarzio's or whatever. You connect the 5-wire connections, learn the color codes from the website that you need. This is basically converting the wire color codes of my Seymour Duncan so that they match up with the plug at this end plugging into a Gibson. So I got to figure out which wires are doing what and then match them to the Gibson. So your bare ground is going to be bare ground every time, so you don't have to worry about that one. 4 more to go, right? So once you figure out what your color codes are, you can sit there and break out your trusty X-Acto knife, strip each of the wires back to about a 1/4 inch of bare wire showing. You also need a little fine screwdriver here to tighten your connectors up. There are 5 little screws across the top that will clamp down on the wire. There's little square entrances down here, and the clamp has teeth to where when you put the wire in, you tighten the screw up and it'll just grab the wire for you, so you don't have to solder them. So when you're done, you wind up with this, just a continual conversion. So my Seymour Duncan is now wired technically as a Gibson, and I can just plug this in when I pull this out. And that's it, folks. It's not hard. So some people make a big deal out of this kind of thing. Now, it would be a nicer deal, and I'm speaking for every guitarist out there that likes to do what I'm doing right now. Can we please, somebody please, standardize the color codes for our pickups so that we can quit soldering these things in and out all the time? This is a whole bunch of extra stuff here that we don't need. We could just have this little plug and play tip, could be on the end of my Seymour Duncan, as well as any other brand pickup I want to insert into this guitar. So I know some people don't like the circuit boards, but yeah, we all say this about hand wired amps versus circuit PC board amps too. But that hasn't changed anything. They're making PC board amps now, and I think the guitar world is going to follow suit. So I thought I would show what this actually entails, and it took me all of maybe 10 minutes to get my stuff out, go up, find online at Seymour Duncan the codes, and get one wired. So it's not real time consuming. So if you really are picky about your tone, and I wanted these pickups in here for a while, and so now I'm doing it, and it's going to look sharp too when I'm done. So as you can see, I took off the chrome so I'd have a more standard look, but since I'm going to go with bare knuckles here, what's going to go on my guitar is going to look like that, which I think is going to look pretty sharp. So thanks for watching. I really hope that was helpful for you to brave out and maybe make some changes if you're feeling that you're not playing your guitar because you don't like the way it sounds. Change it up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. Till next time. All done. Now that is a rock and roll machine.